Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the images contain GPS EXIF and creating a one backup because you will overwrite metadata. Next, install an EXIF editor that supports both GPS and timestamp edits. This ensures precision. Connect the camera or SD card to your computer and make sure files show as writable. Once done, open one representative photo in the editor to inspect fields: GPS coordinates, timestamp, and time zone. This first check prevents accidental shifts. You now edit the GPS coordinates and the photo timestamp. Start in single file mode to understand field formats: degrees, minutes, seconds, or decimal degrees, altitude in meters. Then set the date and time and include the time zone or UTC offset so timestamps align with GPS time. Preview the updated EXIF and verify the map preview matches the intended location. Once satisfied, use batch mode to apply identical corrections across selected files, because consistency avoids scattered errors. You finish by saving the edited EXIF and making a new verified backup, so you keep both original and corrected versions. Then spot check several files. Open them in a map viewer or GIS app to confirm coordinates and compare timestamps to a reliable reference. This ensures no time zone or format slip. If things look wrong, revert to your original backup immediately, reevaluate time zone offsets and coordinate format, and reapply edits on a smaller test set to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.